Hello. Kasama ko ngayon si Princess. Ayun siya, oh. Mag-hi ka naman. I got her consent na makasama siya dito. And then si Dom, we're waiting for dun sa start ng wedding ni Aryan tsaka ni Vince. 1:30 pa naman yung wedding, pero ang aga namin umalis. Siguro mga 11:15 kasi dapat 1 p.m. nandito na ako. Bilang, oh my God, bilang isang ninong. So it's official, matanda na yata talaga ako. Ninong na ako. This is the first time na magninino ako sa kasal and I wouldn't have it any other way. Super natutuwa ako. I feel honored na pinili nila ako na magninong sa kasal. And it's nice no to see yung love story blossom over the years. Kasi I think nag-start na feel ko na parang uy, pang matagalan tong friendship na to. I don't know kung if you guys feel the same thing. Pero nag-start to nung nag-cable car kami. Tama ba? Tama ba? But 2017, 2018, like 8 years, 9 years ago, nag-cable car kami. First time yata namin ma-meet si Vince noon, I don't know. Or baka na-meet na namin siya a couple of times, pero first time namin mag-inuman kaming lima. So si Princess, si Dom, ako, tapos si Aryan, si Vince. Tapos after nun, na-realize ko parang, kasi I've been friends with Princess. Tapos kami ni Dom, matagal naman na kami. Tapos si Aryan, friend ko na rin siya. Tapos first time kong na-encounter nun si Vince na matagalan. So parang, I was thinking, after nung time na yon feeling ko, long term na to, yung friendship naming lima. Kasi like, oo, kasi close kami ni Princess, close kami ni Aryan, tapos eventually naging close kaming tatlo, Princess, Aryan, ako. 'Di ba? So parang I think na-seal nung time na 'yon, 'di ba? So parang I don't know, ano bang naalala niyo no nung time na 'yon?
Lasing na lasing ako.
Lasing na lasing siya
Ay, pero
tapos
masaya yung yung beer pong.
beer pong. Oo, nag-beer pong kami. Tapos, oo, sobrang grabe yung beer pong. First time ever ko sa buhay na hindi ako nag-inarte sa iniinom ko. Yung bumagsak na yung bola sa sahig, pero ilalagay yung bola sa beer. Tapos pag na, 'di ba, pag nabagsak ka ng ping pong ball yung beer, iinumin mo, 'di ba? Parang ganoon. So wala na akong pakialam eh. Alcohol din naman 'yun, so I guess it would cancel out yung germs and everything, 'di ba? So ikaw, like ano bang naalala mo dun sa like love story nila Aryan, ni Vince and how alam mo yun, how did it start para sa iyo yung parang your love for the couple?
I think their teamwork as a couple, yun yung talagang ina-admire ko. And then of course yung pagiging committed nila sa relationship and the effort balance siya. So yeah, that's why I admire both of them.
Yeah. Ikaw dong.
Ako, same tayo kasi nagsasama lang naman tayo. Nagsasama or nakikita lang naman kami ni Aryan, ni Princess, at even ni Vince kapag kasama ka. Kasi lagi mo akong plus one, ganyan. So, I think yung cable car nga, inisip ko nga kanina na kasi nakahiwalay yung yung wallet kasi 'di ba nag-run tayo kagabi. Gamit ko yung small wallet tapos yung picture natin na galing kay Vince at kay kay Aryan.
Anong tawag doon?
Polaroid?
Polaroid.
Polaroid,
Oo. Hanapin nga
ayun.
natin yun. Ilalagay ko yun sa vlog. At nandito
Oo.
po siya.
Yun, yung Polaroid na yun. So, natuwa ako doon kasi may pagganon sila. Yun.
Yeah. Yun yung time na uso pa yung Polaroids eh. Tapos I remember maraming gano'n. At saka ang payat ko noon. That's my peak kapayata. Tignan mo ngayon, ninong na. So, yeah, I guess that's it, no? Later, mas marami pa kaming like kwento about the couple. And yung vlog na to or this video, it's just dedicated to celebrate love, friendships with these people, love nila, and then our love for each other. And then, itutuloy ko to kasi bukas, birthday ko na. So, connected din tong, yes, 19 na ako. Na joke. 41 na ako bukas. So parang like I was thinking this would be like a weekend vlog talking about, friendships, love and celebrating life. Diba? So let's see. I will take you through the wedding and how it goes. See ya. Hello! Kakatapos lang ng wedding nila Arian tsaka ni Vince. It was a very nice wedding, no? Maganda yung sinabi ng father ng homily niya. Parang nag-mention siya about 3 A's. Assumption, hindi, joke lang. Doon ko kasi estudyante si Arian. Pero yung 3 A's niya is akbayan. Ay, ano ba? Ha? Hindi. Ano ba yun? Appreciation. Appreciation, di ba? You appreciate each other every day, mga ganon. You adore each other. And then you abide. You stick with the person. You follow. Parang ganon. So, ang ganda nung homily. Maraming mga times na parang mangingilid-ngilid ang aking luha. Pero syempre, dahil ninong ako, kunyari strong, di ba? Nakakatawa lang din kasi parang lahat ng mga katabi ko feeling nila I was too young, sabi nila. Parang 26 ka pa lang. Hindi. Sabi nila parang bata ka pa yata para magninong. Sabi ko hindi po, ano na po ko, 72 na po. Ganun. But yeah, so far how did you feel about the wedding ceremonies? Ikaw, Princess.
It was short and sweet. Parang, maganda siya kasi very personalized yung homily ni Father. Naka-focus talaga sa love story nila ni Arian and Vincent. And makikita mo talaga at mafe-feel yung love nila for each other. They're very authentic to each other. Ang cute nila, parang mga bata din. Na,
Parang
in-
match na match yung
Oo,
personality.
sobrang match yung personality. Hindi yung parang formal na formal sila eh. Cute nila tingnan. Yan.
Ikaw,
Um,
may triple A ka din ba?
Triple A.
Pakita ka sa ano?
Hindi, yung sa akin ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dun sa sinabi ni Father, bukod dun sa Triple A is
Triple B.
yung body beauty brains. Hindi yung darating ang panahon na ang isa sa inyo ay mapapagod, maglalamlam.
Oh.
Medyo parang siya, parang
It's very realistic.
oo, parang hindi parang siya, hindi lang para sa mga bride pero sa mga partners, everyone out there na tama nga naman, no? Na-survive nyo nga yung 8 years, 'di ba? What more pa yung mga susunod after or parang ito pa lang naman yung beginning ng
Yeah.
nila, pagiging isa.
Yeah.
So yun, medyo nakaka-touch din talaga yung homily ni Father.
Ayan.
Plus, sobrang ganda ni Aryan.
Sobra.
Lalo dun sa may red hair.
Correct.
Tapos yung
Ano,
yung gown.
lutang na lutang yung tapos yung makeup very light lang kasi pak na pak naman yung
Oo.
hair.
Sinasabi ko nga kay Princess, parang sa lahat na nakita ko na naka-red hair, siya yung
Bagay.
sa kanya yung
Bagay
bagay.
talaga, yeah. Kahit
Oo.
kanino sobrang red. I think we'll show you photos or videos of how Aryan looked like. We'll show you photos and videos of how Aryan looked like. And yeah, overall, I don't know, may mga kasal talaga. So far naman sa mga kasal na napupuntahan ko, magaan naman yung pakiramdam. So it was like this. Parang ang gaan, nafe-feel mo talaga yung love that they have for each other. Parang ay, medyo kinabahan lang ako. May tumutunog kasi yung nagpa-park. Baka naman, pag-uwi ko, gas-gas na, wag naman sana, di ba? But yeah, the love they have for each other, parang ang light, hindi complicated. And I guess parang that's the goal, no? Hopefully. Lahat naman tayo dito sa sasakyan ay in love. Lalo na si Princess at the moment. So, yeah, we'll take you to we'll show you snippets of how the reception area looks like. And yeah, kung meron pa kami mga talking points or whatsoever, yun lang naman. But overall, nakakatawa. It was a nice celebration of love. I'm happy to be part of this wedding. Diba? I think all of us can say that we're happy to be part of this wedding. We're happy to be part of their love story.
wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy.
Hello. We just got back from Aryan and Vince's wedding. Ano na ngayon, mga 9:30. Umalis kami dun sa place around 8:30. 1 hour din yung travel time from Antipolo going back here sa Pasay. It was a really nice wedding. Ginanap siya dun sa, I forget yung name. Ilalagay ko na lang siya somewhere. Pero dun sa pinagkasalan ni Basha tsaka ni Popoy sa One More Chance. So, it was the same area. Malapit lang sa Hinulugan Taktak. Tapos, the reception was at the Chandelier Place or Chandelier Events, whatever. Napakita ko naman na yung itsura ng place. It was very nice. Very, intimate. Kaunti lang yung mga tao. I think, family ng side ni Vince, family ng side ni Aryan, and then the sponsors, and then their friends and office mates. Overall, I don't know, dahil kilala ko yung couple at very loving sila, natuwa ako overall sa wedding. Na-appreciate ko lagi pag yung kinakasal, they know their guests. Pag yung kinakasal, intentional yung pag-invite sa guests nila. I really appreciate it kasi lumalabas siya eh. Lumalabas siya sa klase ng interactions that you get in these kinds of events. So, the people talk to each other, the people engage, interact. Yung mga ka-table namin, mga office mates ni Aryan, at yung ibang kapwa ko, Ninong at Ninang. Yes, again, Ninong po ako. Mga office mates din ni Aryan and mga former bosses niya, they were very welcoming, tapos nakakatuwa sila kasama. So, enjoy pag may mga games, nakakatawa, nakikipag-joke sila with us. It was really nice. Mapapansin mo pag may mga kasal na parang hindi naman kilala ng couple lahat ng tao or hindi kilala ng mga tao or hindi kilala ng couple lahat ng bisita. Pero so far, yung mga kasal na na-attendan ko, mga kasal ng mga friends ko, and people that are really close to me, mapapansin mo talaga na they know their guests. Parang each and every one of their guests. And I think, nakaka-add siya dun sa feeling that you get when you attend a wedding. And yun, so medyo on high pa, natutuwa pa ako sa love na naramdaman ko between the two at yung pagmamahal din ng mga guests nila sa kanila. Nakakatawa lang. Tomorrow, in a few hours, birthday ko naman. So, after celebrating love today and friendship, tomorrow, I'm gonna celebrate myself and my life. So, that's it. It's just going to be a very simple celebration lang naman. I'll take you through my day. Very simple lang. I hope to start with a birthday run. So, ang goal ko ay mag-run from here, Pasay, tapos Makati, and then BGC. So, magta-Tri-City kami bukas. Try namin, no pressure. Jog-jog lang naman, di ba? For my birthday. And then after nun, dinner lang with the family, and that's it. Sila naman yung mahalaga sa buhay ko at this point. And yeah, I'll take you to the rest of the day tomorrow, pero for now, matutulog muna ang tito/ninong. Dahil nakakapagod mag-drive po mula Pasay, Pamakati hanggang Antipolo at pabalik po. And yeah, I guess that's it. See you tomorrow. Hi, I just got back from my 8K run from Pasay to Makati to BGC. So, Tri-City jog yun this morning. Natuwa naman ako kasi medyo bumaba yung aking pacing, nasa around 7 or 6.50 yung pace ko from my usual pace of 7 to 8. Tapos, sayang nga 8K siya. Wala kasi kaming intention na distance talaga. Ang gusto lang namin, wala kaming gustong ma-meet na distance. Meron lang kami like from our place hanggang doon sa Greenway or Forbes Wood area sa BGC. So pagdating namin doon, naghuminto na, and then 8.15 kilometers, and then na-realize ko sayang, dapat konti na lang, 10 na pero hininto ko na. But still, it was a very fun way to start my birthday. I just turned 41, so 41 na po tayo. And I think naman nagpapasa pa naman ako na younger than 41. So 40. So yeah, it was a very nice way to start my day. Very energized. Umiikot talaga yung blood sa aking katawan at this point, and I'm looking forward to the rest of my day.
Happy birthday